Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.
In a tranquil pond where the lilies sway lived 5 little ducks, bright as the day. With quacks of delight they splashed all around, but soon grew curious at what could be found. One sunny morn with feathers aglow, they spied a tall figure with a stately flow, an ostrich so grand in a dance of his own. He towered above them, oh how he had grown. Good day, quacked the leader, bold and sincere. What brings you to our pond? We've been waiting here. The ostrich looked down with eyes wide and wise. I seek friends, he said, I'm tired of goodbyes. The ducks exchanged glances, they'd never seen such grace, a creature so different from their cozy place. Join us for swimming, the smallest one cried. We'll teach you to dive, come on now, don't hide. So into the water with flaps and with cheers, the ostrich stepped gently, overcoming his fears. At first he was clumsy, but soon found his stride. With each joyful splash came laughter that couldn't hide. Through rippling waves, under skies painted blue, they danced like the sunflower swaying anew. 5 ducks and an ostrich, a peculiar crew, yet bonds formed in kindness were warm as the dew. As days turned to weeks beneath soft golden rays, they shared tales of courage that brightened their days. The ducks taught him swimming, he showed them to run in fields wide as dreams, under morning's fresh sun. And when autumn whispered its cool breezy sighs, 5 ducks walked beside him beneath sprawling skies. For friendships aren't measured by size or by flight, but rather by hearts that shine ever so bright. So if you should wander where ponds softly gleam, remember this tale of 5 ducks and a dream. For friendship can flourish in places unknown. When we open our hearts, we're never alone.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.